Here we have the all new Evo 500 watt foldable scooter at Muck and Fun. Very high specification scooters, part of our new range. Some of our new scooters coming through for next year, already here. Seat comes off, the scooter folds, has an LCD dashboard with your range and details of mileage. You have 3 different speed settings. So one is slow, 2 faster, and obviously faster again. Full year parts and labour warranty. We're the only scooter shop in Ireland with 3 full-time mechanics. Everything we sell, we build and repair at Muck and Fun. And Smiley Scooters, our scooter shop. So it's got a rear hub motor, so no chain, shock absorbers, LCD dashboard. It's got a lithium battery, top of the range. So you're looking at a range of 35 to 50 kilometers, depending on where you use it. And top speed up to 35 miles an hour. And there's your lights, and your suspension, and your folding mechanism. And there's your brake lights and your lights at the back of it. Part of a range of 25 performance scooters, all on muckandfun.com and facebook.com/Smiley Scoot. Beautiful machines, so easy to drive and simple and smooth. It's also very much water resistant to the new specifications as issued by the EU. Full year parts and labour warranty, 2 free services, and we deliver these scooters anywhere in Ireland for just €35. And your scooter comes built, tested, fully charged, ready to go. So the new Evo Tech 500L, 500 watt scooter, should have said that, sorry. Beautiful design. Evo's part of our massive range. So here we have the new Evo Tech scooter at Muck and Fun. Need any information? Just let us know. muckandfun@gmail.com or 086 193 6623. Need any more info? Just let us know. We have some scooters in stock that do over 60 kilometers an hour, our Evo 2000 watts. So there's a massive range to pick from. Lovely scooter.